team. The repairs on the hull will be our top priority today.
Understood.
Watch your step on the rocks. Try angling the cut slightly higher. Got it. Stand clear. Just a little more pressure there. Got it. Looks good. Line it up evenly. Need more mix over here. Grab another tile, please. Keep scrubbing that area. It's coming clean now. Let me check the readings. Readings straight. Okay, now the tables. I'll start with the chairs. Make sure the left side is straight. Okay, I got it. Almost done here. Let me know if you need anything else. I'm getting a shot at the panel readings. Check the dial frequency on the radar. Noted, the reading is stable. The pressure is fluctuating. Check valve 7. On it. Good. Move to section 3.5 next. Check the pressure here. Alright, looks good now. Almost there. Just a little bit more. Looks much better now. Good job.